Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to reset Windows 10 to factory settings. To get started, you want to go to the start menu here and right click, and you want to go to settings. Once you're here, you want to look for update and security and click on that. Alright, you want to go to recovery. Right, these are the options we have here. We have reset this PC, we have advanced startup, and these other options here. What we want to do is to reset this PC. Right, before you hit this, you want to listen to this. Maybe your system is slow and that is why you want to reset your system. That is cool. Or maybe you want to sell your system out and you don't want people having access to your information later in the future. When you reset your system, you're going to lose all your application, all the softwares you've installed. You want to go ahead and back up every single thing. You want to go ahead and click on get started. Okay, all right, once you're here, you're going to choose an option. 1, keep my files. 2, remove everything. Alright, so I'm going to teach you what each option entails. So here, this option removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Okay, we're coming back to this later on, so let's go ahead and click on keep my files. Okay, alright, so it's going to ask you, how would you like to reinstall Windows? Do you want cloud download or local reinstall? This will take a little longer because you're going to do a cloud download that can use more than 4 gigabytes, and you may not want that. But if you're comfortable with that, you can go ahead and choose cloud download. Otherwise, I'll suggest you go for local reinstall because that will take less time. Your Windows will be reinstalled right from your device. As you can see, reinstall Windows from this device, and you want to click on that. So you can see it's going to ask you additional settings, current settings, reinstall apps and settings that came with this PC. This process is actually going to reinstall all the softwares that came with this PC, not the ones you installed yourself. Okay, reinstall Windows from this device, and these are the options you get with this method. Okay, and if you're cool with that, you want to go ahead and hit next. Okay, and then follow the prompts. Okay, that is on your screen. Alright, and at some point you're gonna need internet connection, and just follow the prompts on your screen. I just reset this PC and I don't want to do that again. Alright, but this is how to use this method. So let's go back and let's look at the other methods as well. So if you want to remove every single thing, your password, your softwares, everything will be removed from this device. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click on remove your personal files, apps and settings. So here it's also going to ask you, how would you like to reinstall Windows from cloud? The same thing, you want to go ahead and click on local reinstall, and here too you can see the options for additional settings, remove apps and files, do not clean the drive. For here it's going to reinstall Windows from this, and again it's the same thing. You just want to go ahead and click on next, follow all the on-screen instructions. I'm gonna also do a video on how to set your password after resetting your system back to the factory mode, password that does not require internet to log in into your system. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and please support my channel. I'll see you in the next video.